Hi everybody, so John here. Today we're going to be unwrapping the Iceco VL60. So we originally did their GO20, found it a little bit small, so we upgraded. The one we ordered comes, well, we purchased a blanket along with it, so the blanket's going to be in here. If you purchased it just by itself, the VL60, I'll show you what comes in that, but ours has a blanket in here that we ordered as well. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up and just check it out. Definitely did a great job wrapping this thing, protecting it, making sure nothing would happen to it, so good on Iceco for that. And I have no doubts this thing's in great shape. Alright. Easy. Top comes right off it. I'm really excited about this. It's definitely going to be an awesome addition to our traveling, especially places like Yellowstone and all that when we get out there this summer. Here it is. Great packaging, great job on the packaging, keeping this thing safe. Tell you what, it's gorgeous. So now, here's the blanket we ordered with it. This wouldn't come with yours if you just bought the unit, but this is the insulating blanket. Get all this opened up. Got the instruction manual. Got a power cord for DC and a power cord for AC, which I really like that there's two separate power cords for this. The GO20 has two cords, but you have to put them together, and it's kind of nice because it gives you distance, but you get an extension cord if you need that. But the problem was the DC would plug in and out, so it's nice to have two separate cords. Those latches, nice and heavy duty. Okay, that's just packaging. Now, this is nice. I'm going to bring you guys over here and bring you in a little closer and let you see it. So, it's the Iceco. It is the VL60. It is the dual refrigerator freezer. So this side is your refrigerator, and this side is your freezer. Get up on here. Take these little packages out of there, so you can kind of see what's going on here. So now you've got baskets in here to help you easily see what you've got. Fairly big compartments, really nice size actually. I was kind of worried with the compressor and everything that we wouldn't have as much room, but really nice. This is perfect, I think. I can't see having any issues with this. This is nice. So in here, take the little plastic off. Thank you, buddy. So we've got our thermostat. And we're gonna fire this thing up too, and we're gonna see how fast we can get it down to temperature. So get down to freezing and all that. There's the back of the unit, and there's mine. This side, nice heavy duty riveted handles in there, spring loaded, super heavy duty, which is really nice. Again, just so zoomed out now. Get a good look into there. We've got lights on both sides, activated by opening the doors. And all right, let's get this thing plugged in. I'm gonna put the camera down for a minute and get an extension cord on that. And I'll show you guys the video with the blanket on it. I think that's gonna be an awesome addition. All right. Alright, so bring this camera back over and we'll do this together, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. So once I start this, I'm going to cut the video out. I'm going to go to my timer, I'm going to start the timer, and we're going to see how long it takes to get from its current temperature down to freezing, and so on. So we're going to close these up. We'll latch it. Latched, and we're going to fire it up. You've got to push and hold the on-off button for 5 seconds, and then that fires it up. So it's really hard to see out here. Let me see if I can get an angle on it. It's currently 63 degrees on one side and 66 on the other. So we're gonna go ahead and drop the temperatures down. So I'm gonna set both sides to 0. I have it on max and high. And I'm gonna stop the video and we're gonna see how long this takes. So from 63 and 66. So while we're waiting for this to cool off, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the blanket that came with it. So this is the blanket. It opens up so you can get the cooler in. It's got feet for it. And I'm not gonna wrap it yet because I wanna see how it does. Bringing the temperature down, just being that the unit alone. It's a sunny day. Let me check. I think the weather's probably about 80 degrees. Exactly 80 degrees out right now. So 80 and sunny. Great day for testing this thing. And I mean, high quality. It's just really nice quality. I really like this. I love the latches on it. I was in the military, so when I first looked at this online, I thought it was the OD green that usually you see in the military, but it's actually like a grayish green, which is really nice. It's better than I expected. So comparison, actually, one of these green propane bottles, you can see is actually a lot darker. Hopefully you can see that. It's actually a lot darker. So it's like a light green gray. So it's running, and we're gonna keep track of this time. Got the timer set. Yeah, and this is cool. It's actually got pouches on it and everything for your cords. It's made for this specific unit, so everything's accessible. The fan, the compressor is able to breathe. Super quiet. And one of the things I was really looking forward to is the height of this. Okay, I like to travel with it in the back of my truck, and I like to have my tonneau cover over my truck. And this will fit perfectly inside it. You won't see it. Tonneau cover over it, sealed up nice and clean. Keep it dry out of the weather. And then obviously when we get to destinations and stuff like that, we can pull it out, put it in the RV, or take it with us while we go hiking and stuff. So yeah, guys. So I'm on AC power. We're looking to see how long it takes to drop temperature. I have it on high and it's on max. And we're gonna go through these instructions real quick just while we're sitting here. So again, you can plug it into your car lighter or a home socket. Turn it on, hold that power button for 5 seconds. Up and down, pretty simple, up and down, change your temperature setting. You can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, easy enough. You can go to economy mode or max mode. That's pretty much all that says. Now I know that this unit has a ability to, when it's plugged into your vehicle, it's not going to kill your car battery to keep it cold. It's going to recognize the low voltage on your battery. It's going to go ahead and turn this unit off or lower that to an eco mode so that it will not kill your battery. So also with this product, I want to let you guys know that we don't get paid to review this. But we did get the unit. It was given to us to try and check out and see how good it does. But we don't get paid for this. We're not making any money off this, so we're giving you an honest review, and that's kind of our goal with reviewing stuff. We want you to know that if we review it, it's our opinion. You know, and everybody's opinions vary, but it's our opinion based on a family of 5 traveling. We've been traveling for 7 years. How good it is for your family. They're expensive units. This one's almost, I think, $700-800. So it's not a light investment, but it's a refrigerator and a freezer. That's how much one's gonna cost you. And if you don't have a refrigerator or freezer, this is a great option. It's portable, you can move it around. You can put it underneath your dinette table in your RV. You can put it in the back of your truck. All kinds of options. We do have a discount code, which is traveling with the Tompkins, just as a promo code, and it's 20% off. So I think that's this product, and there might be some other products that are attached to that traveling with the Tompkins. So keep that in mind. I can save you a couple $100 right there. All right, so we're back at the cooler. It's been exactly 36 minutes, and we have just hit 32 degrees on the cooler side, and we're at 41 on the freezer side. Keep in mind, I know you probably see it flickering like that. It's only because it's a video. It's not doing that in real life. So anyway, we are 36 minutes in, and we are at freezing temperature on the cooler side, or on the refrigerator. I have both of them down to freezing at this point, just to get them down there and see what they do. So you can use this whole unit as a freezer, just FYI. Okay, so we're at 45 minutes, and the freezer has just hit 32 degrees, and now the fridge is down to 27. So now the GO20, this thing was super fast, got down to freezing, 32 degrees, super fast. Obviously this is bigger, takes a little longer, but still not bad. Less than an hour, and you're well below freezing. So obviously if the fridge didn't have to go down to freezing, all that energy would be focused on the freezer. So keeping that in mind. All in all, it's gonna take your RV fridge almost an entire day. That's not bad. This thing can do it in less than an hour. Okay, so I went ahead and did the wrap on the cooler just because I was kind of getting tired of waiting. So basically just pull this up here, undo this side, undo this side, and you can lift it up, and then you have access to your lids and all that. So the reason I'm back now, it's been 2 hours and 25 minutes, and I've got 0 and 2 degrees. So it took about 2.5 hours to get us down to 0 in both tanks. So yeah, 0 in both tanks, about 2.5 hours. So not horrible. And we're gonna unplug this thing here soon, and we're gonna see how long it can stay at that temperature. All right, quite some time, and I just checked this, and as you can see, I am at 14 and 18. I just restarted it. So after 48 minutes, it went up about average 15 degrees. So, you know, obviously there's nothing in the cooler. If there was stuff in the cooler that would help maintain that cold, but just empty, just sitting here on this table. It's actually probably 72, 73 degrees out right now. A little bit of sun, but yeah, came up about 15 degrees even with this wrap on it over the last 45 minutes or so, 48 minutes. So, all right, well, that's my initial review of the Iceco, the 60, the VL60, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll have more to come.